everybody, welcome back to my channel, and yes, it is time for another Walgreens ad preview chit chat video. A lot of you guys really enjoy these because I can explain things to you guys and give you guys kind of a heads up, and then you can also take a look at the sale. So as you guys see right here, they have the deal of the week. They got Post cereal for $1.88. Now it looks like it's Fruity Pebbles and Captain Crunch. Well, if you guys go to, I don't have the website on me anymore, but if you go to Lozo, L-O-Z-O.com, I will make a video showing you guys how to find coupons on that. But what you guys want to do is go to that website and then just type in Post, and it'll end up bringing up like the Fruity Pebbles, Cocoa Pebbles coupons. So you just click on that, and then it'll take you to a website called the Grocery Store Network or something like that. I've printed several coupons from that, and then you guys can print off $1 off a 2 coupon. You guys would end up paying $2.76 for 2 boxes of cereal, but then each one comes out to be $1.38, which could be a pretty good deal. I kind of sometimes crave the Fruity Pebbles and the Cocoa Pebbles, so wanted to share with you guys on that. Right here on the bottom left, they have the Scott's paper towels, Scott's bath tissues, and the Kleenex facial tissues. Now I do know we have 50% off coupons from the 4-8 Smart Source, so they're on sale for $5. There is $1 off of 1 coupon in the Walgreens booklet. Plus you guys can use those 50% off coupons. You end up paying $3.50 for a 12-pack of tissues or a 6-pack of paper towels. So that could be a great deal with that. They got Revlon on sale for 40% off. Now we do have a ton of different variety of coupons that expire next weekend. Not this coming weekend, but the following weekend. So hopefully you can get some great deals or maybe some freebies with certain ones of those coupons. Now we're going to go on the next page. Now this is the Walgreens website, so you guys can actually check the ads out early. They always pop out on Wednesdays. They're nice and clear. I know some of the ads that you see on the internet, sometimes they're not as clear. So this is what I like. But here they got all like the junk food and the snacks and all that fun stuff and jazz. But here they got Russell Stouffer for Russell Stouffer or Ghirardelli. I know we got some $2 off coupons for that. And then right here they got the Trolley or the Black Forest gummies. Those are going to be on sale for $1.50. You guys will end up getting a $1.50 register reward back. Now that is an easy freebie. You can do that deal as many times as you want. You make sure, most of you guys know this, but make sure you guys buy 1 per transaction and do not use that $1.50 register reward. Just want to let you guys know on that. Then you guys can just keep getting it, and you guys can save them for something even bigger, or you guys can save them for the following week. That's what I usually do with my register rewards. So wanted to share with you guys on that deal. Here's some regular food. Nothing really pops out at me, but I just wanted to see if you guys wanted any food. Here we got some other types of cleaning products and more snacks and food. So there's that. And then they got the Walgreens brand of the toilet paper, paper towels, and all that jazz. But it looks like they are $4. It says price right every day. So those look like they're everyday prices. But right here it says 2 for $7 on the package. So that comes out to be $3.50, but for probably an 8-pack of paper towels. So that could be an okay deal if you guys really enjoy that. Here we got some other kind of dog stuff and cleaning stuff. They got the Beggin' strips. Now those are going to be $3.49. It looks like we'll be getting a buy one, get one free coupon. So if you guys buy 2 of those, you guys will pay $3.49 for 2. Or they come out to be $1.75 a piece. So that could be some great deals. I'm hoping to get some stuff because I want to donate some pet supplies to a charity. So that could be a great deal. Glade is buy one, get one 50% off. They got some lighting, which I think some of the lighting they have is kind of cool. So those are buy one, get one 50% off. When I always go to Walgreens, I think, yes, I'm going to buy a dress when I go to Walgreens. Yes. So that's optional if you guys want to buy a dress at Walgreens. Here we got some medication and vitamins. Nothing really popping up. I mean, a lot of them are buy one, get one free. I haven't seen very much deals with the vitamins and all that jazz, but I wanted to share with you guys on that. So you guys can check this out too. Lots and lots of vitamins. Yeah. Here we got more items. Nothing that really pops out. If you guys need reader glasses, those are buy one get one free. I don't know what the prices are. I don't wear glasses, so I'm not sure on that. Eye stuff, sinus items, not really anything that's really popping out. But here they got the Colgate toothbrush and the toothpaste. Now there's a deal where if you spend $10 or more, you get 5,000 points. So that could be a good deal depending on what you guys get. I mean, we do have some 50 cent or $1 off coupons. I can't remember. I think they're 50 cent off coupons or $1. I'm not sure. But we could get some pretty good deals. I might check out that deal. Crest mouthwash, toothpaste, and floss. There you get a $5 register reward if you guys spend $10 or more. So again, it could be an okay deal on something like that. Now, a great deal that I think in my opinion is the Speed Stick deal. Now, we are getting 50 cent off coupons on those, okay? So, it looks like they're buy one, get one 50% off. I went on the Walgreens website and I searched for those, and the online price said they're $2.99. I am not sure what the regular, if that's the normal price in the store, but the online price said it was $2.99. They're going to be buy one, get one 50% off. We're getting 50 cent off coupons for those. Then there's also a deal where if you buy two, you get 3,000 points. So you guys could end up paying $3.48 for two of them after the coupons. But then you get that $3 register reward. It comes out to be 48 cents or almost like 24 cents a piece. Which, in my opinion, I think that is a great deal, and that stuff also counts towards beauty, and you can use, I think, 4 of each of those coupons, and you can pay with points. So hopefully we all get Speed Stick wasted. I love to stock up on deodorant. We got Chic razors, $5.99. There's an online coupon, plus I think we have some other coupons for $4 off, so those come out to be $1.99. I wouldn't say that is a great price, but if you guys really need razors, you know, because of the nice weather, you want to show off your white, pale, nose tan legs, go for it. Yeah, about that. Otherwise, nothing else. I know we're getting some coupons. I don't know if Ibotta has the hair dye deal anymore, but that would be a great deal to do that. Here we got some Nivea. You get a $1 register reward if you buy 2, or actually no, not a $1 register reward. You just get one. They're trying to get rid of the register rewards, and they're going more towards points, because I know so many people are having the Catalina's print off. So it says right there a $1 reward, which is 1,000 points. So there is that, perfumes and all that jazz. And then here is the last page of the ad. I'm just going to scoot it over to share with you guys. So here they got gum, 2 for $1.50. I think there might be a coupon in the Walgreens booklet for that. I can't remember. But here is a great coupon for the M&Ms. This you guys can do actually right now. So the M&Ms are on sale for 2 for $5. There is a $1 off of 2 coupon in the Walgreens booklet. Plus, if you guys got this coupon, we got the $1 off of 1 M&Ms. So if you guys use two of these coupons, you guys can get each bag of the big size M&Ms for $1. I would definitely recommend getting that and getting M&M wasted. I'm super excited because I love M&Ms, and why not go for that. If you guys need filler items or anything like that, they got the Nestle brand or the Milka, 2 for $1. Now I think the Oreo coupons do expire, I think on Saturday. I'm not sure on that. I used all mine up, but you guys could get that coupon. It comes out to be like 45 cents for that. Or no, I can't even think. Never mind, you can't use that 55 cent off coupon because those are 2 for $1. So never mind, I'm not thinking straight. Puffs and Dawn dish soap are 99 cents. We are getting 25 cent off coupons, so that might be a good deal for you guys. But not much else that's really popping up. They got some ice cream, buy one get one free, so those could be some great deals. I don't think we have any coupons for that, but they also have this deal where if you spend $20, you get 5,000 points. Diapers are 2 for $20, which I think is really expensive. We are getting $2 off coupons. So you guys could just get 2 of those. I think you end up paying 16 bucks. But then you guys will get that $5 register reward. So you guys could get 2 packs for $11. I still think that's a little high price, but if you guys desperately need diapers, then go for it. But yeah, so this is what is inside the Walgreens ad for April 29th to, I'm going to go to the beginning, to, I forgot, May 5th. So those are some great deals I wanted to share with you guys. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please let me know. I like to hear about it if you have any other deals that I missed. And I will see you guys all later. Thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye.